box option in here. So this is also helpful for your AI chat. So now I'm just going to go back into the website right here that we have just made. And from here, I can click here on the chat icon on the bottom right. And in here, we will now be able to chat with an AI. So I haven't customized this yet. As you can see, it's still in the template name. So we can just customize that later on. And I'm just going to type a message in here. So let's say hi. As you can see, it's now sent. So now we can go back into our inbox. And as you can see, we now have this right here. So this is where you'd be able to access the chats your customers have given. And then from here, in this one right here, you'd now be able to see some options, some actions. You can delete this. You can see some more details about them. And then you can save as contact. You can archive, new message, and some other settings in here. So you can also send this into an automation, which we'll be discussing next. And now if you would want to customize your chat, so we can just go back here into the home, and then from here, click on edit site. And now from here is that we just need to wait for this to load. And now from here, we can now see the Wix chat here on the bottom right. And now you can just click on it and click here on settings. And from here, we can now customize the settings of this chat. So in here, we could go for the display. So this is the display of it. So you could go for bottom left or bottom right, where you'd want it to be placed. You could go for the design. So you could upload your business logo. So I'm going to upload mine right here. And I'm just going to use this logo and add to page. And there it is. And now for the text, you can now customize the name. And then I'm going to go for KBot right here. And then a message text box, you can go for type your message, or you could go for what do you want to say. And then typical response time, and you can just select that right here and many other options. But as for now, I'm satisfied with my changes. So I'm just going to go and leave it be as of now. So yeah, I'm satisfied with that. And now I can now publish this. And now it's published right there. So now I could just go back into the site right here and refresh the site. So there it is now refreshed. And now let's click on our chatbot again. As you can see, it has now been changed in the name and then the logo in there. So that's it on how you could customize it.